everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chuck. How's everybody doing today? It is Friday, guys. What is everybody doing for the weekend? Let me know in the chat when you jump on. Even if you're on the replay, I would love to hear what you're doing. Let me just get this shared out. If you could do the same when you jump on, that would be awesome. If you are on the replay, hashtag replay and let me know when you've seen this. We are going to be doing a little sign. I will show you that in a second, actually. It's called One Day or Day One. You decide. So let me just get this shared out. Yay, I can share to groups. Sometimes it doesn't like me doing it, so that makes it a little more difficult. If you could do the same in ones that you know that are allowed, that would be cool. Just trying to make sure I don't hit the wrong ones. Say hi as you're jumping in. Let me know where you're coming in from. There we go. So, you can like and follow my business page, Telly's Talking Chuck. You can join my VIP group, Telly's Talking Chuck VIP. You can also follow me on Instagram and YouTube, Telly's Talking Chuck. I've tried to keep it as all branded as I possibly can. Even games I'm playing, my husband laughs at me because I've made my usernames Telly's Talking Chuck, just to see if that can help some of my networking prospects. If you are not part of my group, please join. That's where I can offer some sales if I get some feedback. We're just doing this because these are reusable transfers 8 to 12 times. So we need to get some fuzz on the back so that it's not so sticky on our surfaces. These surfaces are reusable. Not sure exactly where I need to be, but husband's coming in to help me figure out where we need to be a little bit. Pretty good. Okay, so we just want to make sure that there's no bubbles, so just push it down. And I've decided to do most of it in the white and some purple. We're going to do the one day in purple and the day one in purple, the one day in the day one in white, and then the or and the you decide lines in purple. Grab me one. I don't want anything dramatic. I was trying to kind of keep it basic, but we're going to do this first part in white. Oh, you want yellow? Okay. So all you do is you just grab a little paste. I didn't grab enough. This is normally creamy dreamy, but this is the older paste that I'm still trying to use, that I've had since day one, which is ironic considering what we're doing here. I don't want to touch any of the other stuff though, so you gotta be careful. Scrape all the extra in back to here. Oh, I'm about to touch that. Alright, and then we're gonna do the day one again. In the white. So Paul, you wanted these in two different colors. Do you want the words in the yellow and the decorations in purple, or the words in purple and the decoration in yellow?
Do the lines in yellow.
Do the lines.
The lines in yellow, the words in purple.
Can you do me one more favor? Can you grab me one more squeegee? As I only thought I was doing two colors. Okay, so which one did you say? Sorry? The lines were?
In purple, the lines in yellow.
The lines in yellow. Okay, good. I was figuring I was doing the lines first, but I lost my train of thought when I was asking questions. So we're just going to do this really quick. You want to do this nice and quick because this might dry in your transfer, and you do not want that because then it won't stay on your surface. Here we go.
You need to go to the lines again. You missed a whole bunch.
Oh no, I do see where I missed some. Okay, so there's that one. Where else? That was the only one I seen. Oh, maybe a little bit there.
Under the day top line.
No, I know, but I just had to grab the extra there. There was extra there that I didn't realize. Oh, it's because I was trying to not touch the yellow, or the white, so I didn't go as high. Because I went so crazy with the white that I went too far down. Okay, and now we're going to do purple. Now this is the Creamy Dreamy. It's all nice and thin. Now I just gotta be careful because that one place is really small, so I don't want to mess that up. Here we go. So I'm just going to pull this back up. Hopefully it will stay all nice, because that's why we fuzz, so that when we pull it up it doesn't stretch the transfer. Now I have no nails, so that's a little bit of a harsh thing. Okay, so we're going to pull this up as gently as we can from the middle so that we're not stretching anything too dramatic. It's so funny when it's this small that you're like, let's pull it up. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Don't do this normally because it makes me nervous. It looks awesome. Okay, it's a little high and a little off, but we're gonna go like that. I think we're good there. Perfect position now, kind of, maybe a little over, but that looks awesome. So I'm getting there. Dude, you move too quick for my brain. Alright, so what I didn't show you, or maybe I did in passing, there we have a stand. So, I'm going to put it in the stand. Hopefully I didn't put this too high, or too low, I mean. Oh, no, it actually worked out perfectly. Where am I? Okay, you gotta work with words, because
Towards the iPad.
towards the end.
There you go.
Sorry guys, I can't see it before you guys see it clearly, because I get all weird. Do you see the purple though? Do I need to get closer, maybe? I find the purple, well, the big one's not this, so that's why I'm having a hard time. The big one's me. There we go. So now I need to go like this, and maybe down. So that is what we have for you today. If you like what you see, like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP. And my website is tellystalkingchalk.ca. That's where you will see my final pieces and also links to the business websites where you can join Chalk Tour. If you want to join Chalk Tour, hashtag chalk in the comments and I will give you a link. Or if you want to join Club Couture, which is our subscription box, you can hashtag club in the comments and I will do the exact same thing. I will give you the club link and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye guys.